Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be plasti dipping the wheels a darker color because I've looked through the comments on our Civic video and everyone says that these wheels should be darker or black. So we're not going to plasti dip it black, we're actually going to plasti dip it a different color. See if you can guess at the end of the video. Let's start by taking these wheels off. So as you can see, I have the whole entire car up on jack stands on each side. So we're going to take off all the wheels, put them together and plasti dip. Alright, so we have the wheels here, and right now what I'm doing is I am going to clean the wheels because we need to make sure all the dust and dirt and grime is off of it before we dip. So, cleaning it up right now. We're only going to do 3 wheels because we just found out that our 4th wheel has a nail on the tire, so I'm going to get that repaired before I plasti dip it because chances are if they change the tire, the plasti dip's going to come right off. So, we're only going to dip 3 wheels today. So yeah, I'm just going to clean this up and then we're going to get started on the dipping process. We cleaned the wheels, and then what I did was I took some index flashcards, some large ones, and I just put them in the outside edge of the rim so that it covers the tires. It's not the end of the world if you get overspray on the tires, you just gotta clean it off and rub it off, but this saves us some extra work. So as you can see, it's all blocked off and ready to go. I'm gonna grab some black plasti dip and do 2 light coats of black dip. So we've got black plasti dip, and this is going to be for the first 2 layers, or first 2 coats. And then the actual coat you're gonna see is this one, Plasti Dip metalizer. It's kind of like this color. So it's not exactly black, it's gonna be more of a metallic gunmetal finish. I think it'll look good. So about 6 inches away, 6 to 8 inches away from the wheel, and spray it at an angle like this, not like this. The more vertical you can get the bottle, the less likely of it to splatter, I've noticed.
Okay. You can already see the difference.
Yeah. Well, this is going to be a very light coat. So, but it already looks great as it is, kind of. It kind of already has like a gunmetal finish. So I'm going to do about 10 to 15 minutes of a wait time in between coats. This is what we look like after 2 coats of black. As you can see, looking up close, it's not full coverage yet. There's still some small gaps here and there. Now we're on coat number 3, and this is what we're going to use. Plasti Dip metalizer. So, on the 3rd coat and onward, we're going to start spraying it on thick and heavy, and really get some full coverage now.
Right.
Man, it looks good so far. Alright, so while I'm waiting for the 3rd coat to dry, I'm going to flip the wheels around so that I get full coverage. Alright guys, so check out that wheel and check out what we have so far. The color looks much darker, which fits the theme of our Civic, so we're excited to put these on soon. Once it dries up, we'll do maybe 2 more coats, and then we're going to be installing it back on. We'll do the other wheel later once I get the tire repaired. So I put all the wheels back on. Now I'm just going to take the car off of the jack stands. So as you can see, the back wheel is not done yet, but the front wheel has been done already. So you can see it's done over there.
Wow.
So you can see on this side, we've got both wheels done on this side. You can see the finished product. Looks great. Now if you look closely, you will find some imperfections. I had some run-ons or some runs in specific areas, but it's hard to tell unless you look really closely. But honestly, it looks better now since we've done it. So I'll show you guys a close-up of the rim. You can see all the imperfections. A lot of these is from the curb rashes, but it still looks great. So when you raise the car and lower it, you're going to have massive wheel gap until you've driven it a little bit. So once we drive it, we're going to go out for dinner, we're going to drive it, and then the wheel gap should be gone. And I'll show you guys a cinematic of how it looks. But I'll tell you right now, it looks really good. It really complements the car now. No more chrome on it. Black and blue with a little bit of accent of yellow for the brakes and the front fog light. And then red Honda badges. I think really looks good now. So thank you guys for the suggestion on changing the color of the wheels. Okay, so don't forget to torque the wheels. So this is what it looks like from the other side because we haven't done that wheel yet. So I got to get that tire repaired and then we will start to Plasti Dip that one as well to make it more even looking. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of this color. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate that very much. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care now.